Hello, today I'll be showing you how to add the CNC account as an admin to your Stripe account. First of all, we just want to go to settings. Here we'll see a bunch of settings here. We'll go down to team and security. Under team and security, you'll see team. Select that. Now you'll see your own account. You just want to go to new member. Enter Chris's email, which is chris.e@chalkandcheese.co.nz. Select the privileges, administrator, IAM admin, and developer. Once done, select send invites, and that's all. It'll send us an email with a link as a collaborator to your Stripe account. Thank you. Bye.